back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malkia and I'm back with another video. I know I've been MIA for like 3 months, but your girl has been having a lot of stress, a lot of schoolwork to do, but guess what, I'm back and I'm better. Before I move any further, I want to thank every one of you for subscribing to my channel. We're at 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. I want to thank you guys for all the support and the little encouragement and everything. And yeah, today I'll be showing you guys how I got these lovely soft locks. I deliberately leave one out just to show you guys what I did. And so this is the hair that I use that I got from my local beauty supply store. If you're in St. Thomas, I got it from Beautylicious, and this is the 36-inch extended locks. This is how it looks. And oh, you just had to answer the call, but I was saying that this is the hair. It's like, for me, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video how long it is for me, and I'm like 5'1". So y'all, I had to do a voiceover because there's a lot of noise, but that's the hair that I use to actually twist it over the lock. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I have one lock. So I have the one lock and I have a crochet needle. What you want to do first is to open the loop, because sometimes the loop is really small. So you're gonna open the loop and then you're gonna put the crochet needle through the loop, just like you see me doing in the video. But before you do all of this, ensure that your hair is at least twisted or braided in singles, so that when you need to add in the hair, it wouldn't have a lot of pressure in your hair. So I'm hooking the crochet needle onto my hair and I'm pulling it through the hoop, just like you see me doing there. It's like pretty simple and self-explanatory as to how to do this. And after you pull it through, you're gonna put the end of your hair through the root so that you secure it, so that when you wrap it, it does not move, because we don't want anything moving to go in anywhere. And you just pull it to the length that you want it to. After you finish doing that, after you finish, you want to get your wrapping hair, or you can use any Nancy twist or spring twist hair, whatever you want to use. I just got a little piece of it, and that's what you're going to use to wrap it around to secure. That's how you get the individual lock kind of look. So I'm going to do that. Ensure you pull it out so that there's no fade or fuzz. And when you're wrapping, it's going to, tangle and stuff. You're going to hold your hair. And from here, I guess it's just up to you to wrap. Ensure that you're wrapping and not twisting the hair, because if you're twisting the hair and not wrapping it, it's gonna come out and you're gonna go on the road somewhere and your hair's gonna fall out. We do not want that, right? So yeah, I'm just wrapping into whatever direction I feel comfortable with. Whatever direction you feel comfortable with, you can wrap in. And yeah, it's simple as this. So if you guys try this hairstyle, just let me know. Don't forget to leave a comment below on what video you want to see, or what I'll be sure to, And I'll also try to be more consistent when not on back. So you guys can just continue watching, and I'm gonna show you guys the length and everything in the end of the video. As you can see there, to secure the end, I just wrap it out and twist it with my hands in between. You can also use got-to-be spray or whatever to secure it more, but I just like to leave it like that. I'm going to show you guys how long it is. So this is the And yeah, So that was very simple, very short, very sweet. So if you guys love this hairstyle, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what other hairstyles you guys want to see me do. And if you're gonna try this hairstyle, just let me know, girl. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.